Oi, tudo bem? Be welcome to our Portuguese lesson. Today we are gonna learn a verb in Brazilian Portuguese that is called poder. We are gonna learn the conjugations, that is one of the most important things, and how to use the conjugations of this verb, how we Brazilians use this verb. When you translate the verb poder into Portuguese, into English, the translation is to be able to or can. But remember, the verb poder is an irregular verb. The conjugations, there is not a standard. So, to say I am able to or I can, we have to use this. Eu posso. Repeat after me. Eu posso. The other pronouns, ele, ela, você, you, he, and she, probably if you are learning Portuguese for a while, you know that the conjugations are always the same for you, he, and she. So here, you, she, we use pode. Você pode, ela pode. And ele pode. He. Plural, we can. Nós podemos. And the plural they, vocês podem. You all can. Vocês podem. Elas podem. Eles podem. So, just take a review here. Eu posso. Take notes, okay? The best way to remember the conjugations in Portuguese is take notes. Eu posso, você pode, ele pode, ela pode. Plural. Nós podemos, we can, and eles, elas, also vocês podem. So we have worked on the conjugations. Let's see some examples, some sentences here. And we have prepared useful sentences that we Brazilians use every day in conversations in Portuguese. For example, I can help you. Eu posso ajudar você. Eu posso ajudar você. Next sentence. This is very helpful if you are in Brazil. Can you speak more slowly? And we Brazilians, we speak very fast. You can't imagine. Você pode falar mais devagar? Can you speak more slowly? Again, and try to repeat. Você pode falar mais devagar? Plural. Nós podemos, we can, ir ao cinema amanhã. We can go to the cinema tomorrow. And here you can use this context in different idea. Nós podemos ir à praia. We can go to the beach. The structure is the same idea. You just change the final destination. We can go to the supermarket. Nós podemos ir ao mercado. And also you can change the pronoun. If you want to say I can, eu posso ir ao cinema. Eu posso ir à praia. Plural now. Eles podem estudar aqui. They can study here. Eles podem estudar aqui. Now we are gonna learn the past. Like I was able or I could. So pay attention how do we pronounce this. I could, I was able to. Eu pude. Eu pude. I could. Now the past for you, he and she. Remember the present? Pode. But the past is pôde. Pôde. The first in the present we stress on this pode. Você pode. You can. But you could. Pode. Pode, present, past, pôde. Here I see many of Portuguese learners struggling with this idea. Present, você pode, ele pode, ela pode. Past, você pôde. You were able. Ela pôde. She could. Ele pôde. Plural, nós pudemos. We could. Nós pudemos. And the plural, they or you all, eles puderam. Elas puderam. Vocês puderam. So my tip here, pay attention the difference of present and past. Present, você pode. Past, pôde. Pode, pôde. Let's see some examples here. Eu não pude ir à festa ontem. I couldn't go to the party yesterday. And my tip for you now that I'm thinking, write the conjugations like I can, eu posso, I could, eu pude. Okay? Try to take notes because the best way for you remember is practicing, and when you and you need to revise this for you remember all the conjugations and how to pronounce. The next sentence, the next example. Ela pôde resolver o problema rapidamente. Ela pôde resolver o problema rapidamente. Plural, nós pudemos visitar nossos avós no final de semana. Nós pudemos visitar nossos avós no final de semana. Easy? Is it easy or difficult? So here we have worked at the conjugations in the present and in the past. And if you have any questions about one verb, how to use, how to conjugate, feel free to write here a comment that we are going to record a new lesson, okay? And remember one idea. Every week we are posting, sharing videos, so subscribe on our channel for you don't miss any of our lessons. Also, we have an Instagram page. We are gonna leave the link here in the description. And we are a Portuguese online school, okay? We have a private and group online lessons, and here I'm inviting you to schedule a free trial lesson for you see how our lessons are. Here on the description you are gonna see a link. You just need to click on the link and we are gonna schedule a free trial lesson, a free private, a free group lesson. We teach all levels in Portuguese, okay? And remember, if you have any questions about Brazil, Portuguese, feel free to comment here on the video and it will be a pleasure recording a new lesson here about your questions, okay? I will finish here saying muito obrigado, that is thank you, and tchau.